First is the butter. The ingredients are garlic and salt, and then you can have the organic garlic, then parsley. This is my experimentation. Then the basil, and then I put some lemon juice on it. Then usually I use this butter, and I put some onions. This one is ginger, and that's ground black pepper. And then what I usually did is I try to experiment this one. Instead of plain water, I don't know, it's just like I feel like orange. But this is a water, it's just like it's a sparkling, so there's a bit of taste of orange. So while I'm melting the butter, I usually double check. This one is a mussel. I'm preparing the mussel, so I'm looking at it if it's clean. This mussel is clean, although sometimes this one is messed up, because sometimes I usually get the fully cooked one, so I just froze it. So this one is, the shell are not. I'm just double checking if I just need to improve something. This one I'm cleaning it while the butter is melted. I'm cleaning the mussel.
Using the crock pot because I want it instant. So first I put the butter. So saute the garlic. I already get the minced garlic, and then put because that's minced, so that's easier. Since I put the cook pot into high, so it's a bit warm. Then next is put the onions. You need to put the onions. Put the onions. Put the onions in it. It's just to satisfy your cravings. And then I usually, after this, if I have vegetables, I usually put eggplant on it. So I'm preparing the eggplant. So take note, this eggplant, while you're preparing it, you need to be quick because some eggplant will really change color. Like an apple will change color, so the eggplant, put the eggplant. So I'm just doing it one by one. And then I usually mix it. So this is just really basic. I'm just going to I let it simmer for a while. Since this is a cook pot, I usually simmer it because it will add the watery part. It's watery,